Good afternoon, friend. Today we will learn Hindi vowel. See on the screen. I pronounce them. The letter A, A, I, E, U, U, Ri. A, A, I, E, U, U, Ri. A. We can write A. A. We can write double A. This is A. This is small a. I. That is E. I. That is this E. We can say badi E. 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 Somewhere we write I E. Somewhere we write double E. Somewhere write EI. Now U can write U. U. U or double O. Ri. RI. And next A. 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 I. A. I. O. Au. Ang. Aha. A. I. O. Au. Ang. Aha. A can be write E. I can be write AI. O can be write O. Au can be write AU. Ang can be write AN. Aha can be write AH. Now see again Hindi vowel. A. A. Pronounce with me. A. A. I. E. U. U. Ri. A. I. O. Au. Ang. Aha. A can be write as can be write as A. A can be write A. I can be write I. E can be write I. E or double E. U can be write U. U can be write U double O. Ri can be write RI. Next A can be write E. I can be write AI. O can be write O. Au can be write AU. Ang can be write AN. Aha can be write AH. See next screen. Now next screen, that is A. A for Ahmada, Amrud. For Amrud. A for Amrud. That is English meaning Gawava. A for Am. That is English meaning mango. E for Imli. That is English meaning tamarind. Tamarind. E for Imli. That is in English name tamarind. E for eek. English meaning reed or sugar cane. U for Ullu. Ullu. That is owl. Owl. U for Ullu. English name is owl. Oo for oon. That is English name wool. 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 See the next screen. V. Re for Rishi. English name is the sage. SAGE. Or we can say saint. SAINT. This is saint. I. First see A. A for AD. AD. In other words, any. That is heel. We pronounce this AD. AD. D. A for AD. In Hindi. AD. Or we can write any, but we pronounce AD. That is English name heel. O for Oakley. OKHALEE. OKHALEE. Oakley. English name is mortar. MORTAR. O for Aurat. English name the woman. The 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 WOMAN. Woman. O for Aurat. The woman. Ang for Angur. English name is grapes. 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 Now, aha. Last vowel letter. Aha. Aha for Ahmedabad. City in India. So we learn about the Hindi vowel. Again I am repeating this Hindi vowel. A, I, U, Ri, A, I, O, Au, Ang, Ah. Their correspondence English letter A, double A, I, somewhere I, E, somewhere double E, U, somewhere double O, R, I, E, A, I, O, A, U, A, N, aha. Next screen. Re for Rishi. This come next screen. A for Amrud, Gavava. A for Am, mango. E for Imli, tamarind. E for eek, reed or sugarcane. U for Ullu, owl. U for oon, wool. Next screen. Aha for Ahmedabad, city in India. So now we learn the how we write these letters, these vowels, Hindi vowels, how we can write. So see the screen right now. This is the screen. See the screen, how we can write. I am taking this a letter blue. First you make half iron circle. This A. Then you make like this half iron circle and also vertical and horizontal line. A, E. See this. First you draw this. After that you draw this. After that you draw this. This E. E, 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 then O, 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 then re. This one, re. You can write this. You can draw the line. Very easy. Re. Now you write this A, again I, O, 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 ang, aha. This is wrong. I am erasing this. You have to put 2 dots. Aha. Again I am pronouncing a, e, e, u, u, v, a, o, o, ang, a. Very easy. So learning of English to Hindi is very easy. So try to learn this, practice this. I will meet in next episode. Thank you. So again we try some English tough letter. Again try to write. You can write this one. First you draw like this. Again this. Then draw this. Then draw this. Then draw this. Then draw this. E. Again this. Then draw this. And we make E. Okay. And this one very easy. You can write like this. You draw this, and after that you write this. And these are the commons. This one are all commons. Difference is E and U. U you can write like this. U. This one. U. U. From this Hindi letter, you can learn Gujarati and Marathi also, Odisha also. All of Hindustan language, Indian language, you can learn from Hindi. So right now you practice these all Hindi vowel letters. Thank you. Bye bye. See you.